Hi everyone, I am Fiona. In this video, we will show you the main touchscreen controls of this single shaft shredder. After power up, tap Start to enter the system. Use the language button to switch languages, and tap the home icon to return to the main page. From the home page, you can open manual control, automatic monitoring, parameter settings, and the system page. Parameters are factory set and normally do not need adjustment. If the system restarts, simply tap Start again. The manual control page is mainly used during machine commissioning or troubleshooting. Here, each component can be started or stopped separately. For normal production, use the automatic mode instead. On the manual control page, the first group operates the main motor forward, reverse and stop. The next group starts and stops the hydraulic system. The carriage buttons move the feeding pusher forward or backward. The feeding start and feeding stop buttons control the belt conveyor. The fan start and fan stop buttons control the feeding blower. Below the touchscreen, the white lamp is the power indicator, and the red button is the emergency stop. For more information about the EPS machine and EPS mode, please contact us by email or WhatsApp. We will be happy to answer all your questions. See you in the next video.